Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Are you good? Hope so you are enjoying your vacations. Is it so? Okay, come towards your topic. Today we are talking about comparative and superlative adverbs means degrees of comparisons. Okay, it's chapter number 16 of your book Grammar Tree, and page is 65. Okay, first of all, uh, let me remind you about the adverb. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the adverbs and its types. Like we have 5 types of adverbs and what adverbs are actually. So first of all, let me tell you about the adverb. So what is adverb? Adverb is, first of all, it's a parts of speech. Okay, it's one of the 8 parts of speech, and adverb, it will always tell you about it will always tell you more about a verb or any other adverb. Okay, adverb will tell you when something is happened, where something is or something is happened, or how something is, or how someone. Adverb of how means that how something is happened. Okay, adverb of time, we can consider it one. Okay, for where we can use adverb of place, and for how we can use adverb of manners. You have studied this in the previous lecture. You can also check the lecture on the site. Let's move towards the degrees of comparison. If you remember, we have already studied this in adjectives in class 3, that we have 3 degrees of comparison, that is the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, so this same we can also tell this, that we have also 3 degrees of adverbs, 3 degrees of comparisons in adverbs, like positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. I'll discuss this in detail. Okay, leave this. Okay, adverbs, we can divide this in 3, like positive, comparative, and superlative. You can look at this. वन सेलेबल मीन्स जिसको आप डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, लाइक जिस जो एक ही वर्ड से बना हो, लाइक फास्ट. आप ऐसे तो नहीं बोल सकते हो ना कि फास्ट. यू कान say like this, that faster, it's fast. Okay, 2 syllables means when you divide a word into two parts, like add verbs, add verbs. So these are add verbs. Add verbs are 2 syllables. Okay, having 2 syllables. Then we have 3 syllables, like positive, positive, positive. So we have 3 syllables in positive. Comparative, comparative, 4 syllables. Okay, leave that. Come towards the topic. So we can divide degree of comparison into 3 types, that is positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Okay, so fast is an adverb and it's 1 syllable. So for 1 syllable we simply add er and est with that. Okay, comparative में हमारे पास er आता है और सुपरलेटिव में हमारे पास est आता है. सही है. कंपैरेटिव जो होता है वो 2 चीज़ों के दरमियान में हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं, एंड वी आर यूजिंग देन. For comparing 2 things, we will use only than. THAN. one is THEN and other one is THAN. THAN means we are using this for the comparison. THEN means this is used for time, okay. THEN means per और THAN means या तो ये या तो फिर वो. Comparative, we are using than for comparative, and for superlative we are using the before the superlative word, okay. We are using the before the superlative degree. Like faster, she is faster than Sarah, या she ran faster than Sarah. See, सारा से वो ज़्यादा तेज़ भागती है या वो तेज़ भागी है, सारा से वो तेज़ भागी है. सही है. Fastest, so it is the superlative, so I'll say that she is the fastest runner in the class. She is the fastest runner in the class. सुपरलेटिव जो होता है, पॉजिटिव जो होता है वो सिंपल होता है. कंपैरेटिव जो होता है वो हम दो चीज़ों के दरमियान में करते हैं. सुपरलेटिव जो होता है वो हम बहुत सारों में सिर्फ एक की बात करते हैं. सही है. नेक्स्ट इज ओके, you are aware of this, one syllable. See, positive and comparative, fast and faster. We are comparing two verbs, fast, faster, fast, faster. We are comparing two verbs. Then to compare three or more verbs, then we are using fastest. To compare three or more verbs, we are using fastest, okay. Like the lion ran fast. एक लाइन है. सही है. The lion ran fast. How the lion ran? The lion ran fast. Then we are comparing lion with a leopard, okay. The leopard ran faster than the lion. The leopard ran faster than the lion, okay. The leopard ran faster than the lion. Leopard जो है वो lion से भी तेज़ भागता है. In the third category, the cheetah ran the fastest of the three. The cheetah ran fastest of the three. इन तीनों में कौन सबसे तेज़ भागता है? चीता. और इससे पहले मैंने आपको बताया भी था that for a superlative degree we are using the before the verb. We are using the before the verb. So the cheetah ran the fastest of the three. See, the lion ran fast. The lion ran fast. We are only talking about the lion. So the lion ran fast. Now here is also a leopard. The leopard ran faster than the lion. Then the lion. See, then comparison है, comparison. The leopard ran faster than the lion. Then is we are talking about the three. The cheetah ran the fastest of the three. The cheetah ran the fastest of the three. Okay, the next thing is that we have some adverbs that ends with ly or illy. That ends with ly or illy. So for in that case we are not we won't use any er or est in the comparative or the superlative degree. What we will use for that? We will use more and the most for that, okay. Like slowly. See, slowly. Positive degree is slowly. Then the comparative degree will be more slowly, and the superlative degree will be most slowly, okay. As this word ends with ly, see, this end with ly. So for this we can't use er or est in the comparative or in the superlative degree, okay. So what we will use? We will use more slowly and most slowly. Like to compare two verbs or adverbs, we use more slowly and most slowly, okay. सेम उसी तरह है, लेकिन जो वर्ड्स एल वाई या आई एल वाई से एंड अप होते हैं उसमें हम ई आर या ई एस टी एज ए कंपेरेटिव एंड एज ए सुपरलेटिव डिग्री नहीं लगाएंगे, ओके। और जो सिंपल वर्ड्स है तो उसमें हम ई आर और ई एस टी भी लगा सकते। होप सो यू गॉट दिस, ओके, you got this? Great. Okay, like for example, the sea anemone creeps slowly along the ocean floor. The sea anemone creeps slowly along the ocean floor. We are only talking about the sea anemone, okay. It's a plant in the water. So the sea anemone creeps slowly along the ocean floor. The comparative will be the snail moves more slowly than the tortoise. Okay, see, then the snail moves more slowly than the tortoise. It is the comparative degree. Then the sloth moves the most slowly of all mammals. The sloth moves the most slowly of all mammals. The most slowly, okay. So here is a superlative degree. Which one degree is used? Superlative degree, okay. Let's repeat the lecture. We talked about the adverbs. Adverbs means those words that tells you more about a verb or any adverb. Then we can adverb will always tell you about the time, about the place, about the manner, about the frequency, about the degree of something, okay. Then comparative, then we have degrees of comparisons like comparative and superlative degrees. Comparative degree means the comparison of two things and we are using then for that. And superlative adverbs or superlative degrees means that we are comparing a single thing among a whole class or among a group, etc. Okay, then we have studied about positive, comparative and superlative degree. That for one syllable like fast we are using er and est. Those adverbs which are single syllable and doesn't end with ly or ily, so we are using er and est for that. Like the lion ran fast. The lion ran fast. The leopard ran faster than the lion. The leopard ran faster than the lion. Then the cheetah ran the fastest of the three. The cheetah ran the fastest of the three. Then we talked about another adverbs that ends with ly or ily, okay. We are not using any er or est at the end of such type of adverbs or verbs, okay. Like slowly ends with ly, so we will use more slowly for the comparative degree and most slowly for the superlative degree. See, like the sea anemone creeps slowly along the ocean floor. Slowly. Then the snail moves more slowly than the tortoise. The snail moves more slowly than the tortoise. The sloth moves the most slowly of all mammals. The sloth moves the most slowly of all mammals. I think it's enough for today, and inshallah we will do the book exercise in the next video. And let me guide you about the booklet, okay. So here is your task 2. In your first short-term booklet. Adverbs have 3 degrees of comparison: the positive, the superlative, and the comparative. See, most adverbs are compared by means of more and most, like John came promptly. This is the positive. Richard came more promptly than the John. Henry came most promptly of all. So these are positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Okay. See, a few adverbs are compared by means of ending er and est. Sorry. Like positive, comparative, and superlative degree: near, nearer, and nearest. See, near, nearer, nearest. Okay, then soon, sooner, and soonest. Further examples like cheap, cheaper, cheapest, dear, dearer, and dearest. Fast, faster, fastest. Quick, quicker, quickest. Some adverbs are compared in both ways, like does, often, oftener, or more often. Okay, or oftenest or most often. Like आप इसमें oftener भी यूज कर सकते हो या आप उसमें more often भी यूज कर सकते हो. कुछ वर्ड्स उसमें ऐसे भी आ सकते हैं. सही है. Then we have some words like irregular verbs like ill, worse, worst, जिसमें आप est लगाने से उसके 3 फॉर्म्स नहीं बनते, 3 डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन्स नहीं बन सकते. उनके पूरे पूरे वर्ड्स जो है वो चेंज होते हैं. सही है. लाइक वेल, बेटर, एंड द बेस्ट. ओके, एंड द बेस्ट. वेल की जगह यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज गुड, लेट, लेटर, लेटेस्ट और लास्ट. मच, more, and most. Then here is your exercise in your booklet. Identify the degrees of comparison of adverbs in the given sentences. What you have to do, you have to identify the degrees of comparison. Like if it's positive degree, you can use you will write positive degree. Okay, if it's a comparative, you can use comparative over there. And if it's a superlative degree, then write a superlative degree over there. Okay, in the blank. The sun shone fiercely. Fiercely. Look at the verb fiercely. So it's end with ly and it's fiercely. So let me help you. Here isn't any er. Here isn't any est. We didn't use any more or most before this. So it's a positive degree. Which one degree? It's a positive degree. Okay. Then it was not possible to drive faster in that fog. Faster, faster. Focus on the word faster. Then she sang well. She sang well. Which one degree? You have to write it over here. Okay. They will come later. They will come later. वो देर से, बहुत देर से आएंगे. They will come later. Then is number 5. Add some more water to the ground. Add some more water to the ground. They worked harder. Harder. Okay. I slept most peacefully. I slept most peacefully. Peacefully, more peacefully, and most peacefully. Okay. He acts more boldly than tactfully. Sarim ran the fastest of all, the fastest of all, the fastest of all. The little boy ran farther than his friends. The little boy ran farther than his friend. Here is, you're driving worse today than yesterday. You are driving worse today than yesterday. They are comparing two things. See, the ice cream was extremely cold. Was extremely cold. Ali started at the earliest. Earliest. Who ran slowest in the race? Who ran slowest in the race? Today is much colder than yesterday. Today is much colder than yesterday. So it's done. Hopefully you got all the lecture, you got all the points. Still, if you are facing any problem, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me through WhatsApp or through that comment box. Okay, thank you.